Even if small tasks feel overwhelming, this video is for you. Anxiety magnifies effort. What looks small on the outside can feel enormous internally. This doesn't mean you're incapable. It means your nervous system is overloaded. You could break the task into something almost invisible, or you can pause and breathe first. Both are valid starts. Hard doesn't mean impossible. You don't have to do college alone.